Hey guys, so my favorite time of the year is here, and I know it just turned September, but I can't help it. Look at all these goodies we have. I'm so excited to decorate the van for fall. This is my first time actually decorating the van, like for anything. This is our first holiday. Charles is here too, he's ready. He has his little fall bandana on. And we're gonna decorate. We went to Michael's the other day and we got a bunch of stuff on sale. They had a lot of things like buy one get one 50% off or buy one get one free. So these pumpkins, like we went to Walmart and saw this exact same pumpkin for $10, and then Michael's had it 2 for 1. So I got 2 pumpkins. We have this little guy. I love fall Halloween. This is my ex. I got some garland. I tried not to get too many things because, as you know, we don't really have storage, but I got 4 of these. They're 6 foot long. I'm gonna put them under the cabinets like so. And then I got some of these little things because I have some baskets on the outside of the van, like facing the door. Once you open the door, you can see them on the outside, and they just have some greenery in there right now. I'm gonna add some of these, and then the other basket's gonna have these. Yeah, super cute, nothing crazy. I also got this set of books. We have Frankenstein, Dracula, and Sleepy Hollow, but they're not books. It's a box. I already filled it up with stuff. This is just like my sleeping cap, and I have like little things in here. I also got these command hooks so I can put all the garland up without messing up the walls. And then one last thing, this isn't really like fall specific, but it's just something I've been wanting to do. And we did it. We actually already did it, but I'll show you the finished product. This, my friends, is not a picture frame. It's an iPad. So I've had this vision in my head of what I wanted to do for a while, but I didn't know how to do it. And we went to Michael's and I saw this picture frame and I was like, I love it. I want it to look like this. But this is an iPad Pro, and I thought I needed like an 8.5 by 11 frame because that's the dimensions of the iPad. But I ended up getting an 8 by 10, and it sits like right on the front of the iPad, so you can see right here. It's like flush. So the iPad's not inside the frame is on top of the iPad. And then this is Jordan's genius idea. He got this, which I think is for plates. He said it was like a plate display hanger. So we have these little screw-in hooks already. They're just tiny little hooks. Jordan put them into the frame and then hooked the plate thing into the hooks. I hope that makes sense. And then we already had this iPad stand. So when you put it on here, you can stand it up anywhere. The only thing is that I can't use the Face ID because it covers the perimeter where the Face ID is. But other than that, it works perfectly. And I can use it all year round.
My father.
Your father? I'm talking about what we're going to say to my parents.
We like each other.
Running right back at you. Just on a cruise, didn't you?
Yes, Andy, it was.
I missed it again.
Never mind. Look, I have jumped under the deck. I've pumped for years. So it's being made. Other houses been there fake, and the town smelled great too. I'm going to have to mobilize. Maybe at the meeting, people, giant nutties.
Jason. Oh, hey, Kirk. Something wrong?
I wanted to sit there.
Seriously?
You have to understand that Monday, was working. I have very little.
Oh, you can buy.
Tell me I have.
Why is it so hard?
What, relationships? Look who you're asking.
At least you got married.
At least you had a kid. Home Depot, they're not likely to cross my path.
Yeah, all this sad talk's putting a serious damper on my stress.
That I already told you.
You're making me long for Shell.
You never won.
So I just finished decorating with all the garland that I showed you, and I'm obsessed. Jordan's back there gaming, but this was my little craft for tonight, and I'm so obsessed. And I just feel all the fall vibes now.
Alright, so for the past few nights, we have been hearing a lot of movement. And at first, I was like, what the hell is all that noise? Because it was raining. It was literally 4 a.m. I thought something was like running across the roof. I heard like scratching. So then I just we left it first, saw nothing, came back, and I just sat there. I was in the driver's seat because I still heard it, so I was like, alright, I don't know if I'm gonna leave again or not. And then this mouse just like appeared on the dash. We looked at one another. And yeah, we've had mice for the past couple of nights. Yeah, I mean, that's part of fan life. The mice want warmth and food. So we went to Home Depot, bought a few of these traps, humane traps. And last night, we caught one. I thought there was more than one. So I don't know if the other one got out, but I haven't heard much activity. Haven't heard much activity since we caught this one. So I'm hoping that's the end of the mice. I'm gonna go let this guy out far away from the van. Ratatouille. Tearing up all our treats. Yeah, so he ate all of our snacks. He ate my corn nuts, he ate our Sour Patch Kids and dog treats that were in the glove box. I don't know how he got in there. I guess it's all just interconnected. We're gonna go let him out because we're not savages, you know. Still, you know, he's just, you know, he wants snacks and warmth like the rest of us.
I misread what I saw.
It was very hairy down there.
Your cause paid off, so
It wouldn't disturb me.